So 3 point is 3 vanishing points. So let's start off with our, you guessed it, eye line. I'm going to do a low angle here. Now I'm going to mark out 3 points. Yeah. Now we're going to make a triangle. Yeah. I'm going to make that. So there's vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2, vanishing point 3. Yeah. And then our eye line is actually here. Okay. Now watch. Guidelines leading out from each vanishing point. Okay, can't forget vanishing point 1 as well, going straight down. So you see now we've created a kind of pyramid structure here. Now if we want to join it here, we can even make it look even more of a pyramid. This might have been how they made the pyramids, you know. I think 3 point is more strange and difficult to draw because I missed the lines. Don't worry, stay tuned and watch this video. You're okay. We'll get it, we'll get it, we'll get it. If we have to do it a couple of times, we'll do it. Right? So now look. We've got the outline. Yeah, we've got the eye line. Now let's draw some shapes. Or in fact, let's switch up. Let's draw a building. Let's draw a building. Okay, so you guys got to use your imagination for this. And imagine yourself, you're looking up. Tamjid. Yep, don't worry, it's coming. The course is on its way. The course is on its way. And the tutorial, real. Yep, don't worry, it's going to be as a tutorial as well. So, it's all good. Look. So all I'm doing now is I'm just going to follow this line here. Well, these guidelines going towards that vanishing point. Yeah, so imagine it's a massive tower. Yeah, with the doors here, some windows. Let me know if I'm drawing this one too fast, because we can do a simple version of it as well. Okay, see what we done there? And I see Solo, thank you for the follow as well. And L, thanks for following. So you see what we've done here? Now let me show you and break it down. So the vanishing point up here, you see as it goes towards the top of the tower, it appears to get smaller. Yeah. If I keep drawing from the side, if I draw some few more buildings to the side here, look what happens. It gets smaller. Same here. Yeah. So as it goes towards the vanishing point, again, it gets smaller. How would it be drawn if it wasn't in a corner? Do you mean if it was round? If it was a round structure? Debonair. We might come back to that and do another tutorial for a more in-depth perspective. But right now, I want to give you guys the fundamentals. Right. So now we've drawn a lower angle view. So we can call this one a worm's eye view. A worm's eye view. Yeah, worm's eye view, because it's a really low, extremely low angle here. Yeah, looking up, all the way up to that vanishing point there. Right? Okay, so let's do another version, but with a high angle. And Laurie, thanks for the coffee. I really need a coffee right now, so thanks for that. Yep. I need a coffee, so I appreciate that, Laurie. Thank you. That is much. And the heart too, I saw that. Thank you so much. Okay. For this one, Frank, nice, good. Good. So this one, imagine exactly what we've done here, but the opposite. Hey, Lian. No way. Good to see you, Lian. So we've done... So look, same vanishing points. Eye line here. All we've done is flip this triangle upside down. Okay? Now look. Drawing our guidelines again. Drawing our guidelines again and again. Yeah? Good. Taking notes. Nice. See this? It's the opposite of what we've done up there. So look. Now, let's say we want to draw a sort of... In fact, let me keep it simple for now and draw a box here. Yeah, look. Now, let's draw another box. See, look, I'm just using the guidelines that I've already drawn out. Yeah, remember, guys, feel free to use rulers as well if you want to. But look, the same thing happens as it gets to the vanishing point. What's happening is getting smaller, right? Or appearing. It's appearing smaller at the very least. It's appearing smaller. It's an optical illusion. Yeah, it's an optical illusion. Clay dye bug. Oh my God, this is everything I've been unable to see. You're a brilliant teacher. Thank you. I'm glad that now you're able to see it. What type of perspective would you use if outside sketching buildings? Okay, well, that's a really good question, JT. And to answer that, it's down to your personal preference and what your vision is. Yeah? When you go out into the real world, here's an example. When you're at the train station again, don't worry, Vigs, don't worry. When you're at the train station again, guys, I want you to find a 1-point perspective. Yeah? That's the easiest way to see perspective in real life. Look at a train station. You'll see the 1-point perspective and you'll see the leading lines. Yep. Okay. Now look, if we keep drawing another one, if we were to keep drawing more, what would happen? Yeah, objects would get smaller. Yeah. Now let's say we wanted to turn this into a bit of a city landscape kind of thing, with the buildings a bit uneven, or like, you know, different heights for each building. You can draw something like that. Look, just by sketching out these things, and now you got some windows here. I know Vegs was trying to get out my windows, but don't worry, I saw you. Hello, I'm trying to become an architect and I need help learning this. What's best way to do? What's the best way to do? Practice the perspective. Start with that. But I'm not an architect, so I can't tell you exactly the path you need to go. But I would say if you're at uni, learn perspective. That's the best way I'd say. So the further it is, the shorter it gets. Yeah, the smaller it appears. Yeah. See, the smaller the object appears. until it vanishes here and here and here. Yeah. Draw buildings. Nice. And I'm seeing all the followers come through. Thank you, guys. Okay, so now this is about to get more complex. But I need you guys to press like because we're going to take this up another notch now. This is going up another notch. So I hope you guys are ready. Nice. Now everything is digital. No, everything, JT, everything's not digital. Trust me, everything's not digital. There's still millions and millions of people that value handcrafted artwork. And I'm telling you that for a fact, JT. So keep doing what you're doing. Hi, can you just quickly go over 1 and 2 point perspective? Oh, it's going to be a bit tricky, you know, butterfly. But I'm going to, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will upload the segments of this tutorial.